Hi, my name is Matthew, and you're just about to learn about the Pennsylvania bobcat. Hope you learn a lot. A bobcat's habitat is currently found in different areas such as the mountains, forests, deserts, swamps, suburbs of cities, farms, rocky ledges, and just about anywhere in the U.S. and southern Canada, then all the way down to central Mexico. Their shelter is made out of stone or rocks, but that's not all. It could also be a hollow log or fallen tree. A bobcat isn't just an ordinary house cat. They are much larger, and they also have adaptations, such as their long claws and their 2,000 whiskers and their keen eyesight and hearing. Their long claws are used to break trees and climb up trees for a nice habitat. Also, their 2,000 whiskers are specialized hairs that help pain the cat's mouth for a quick killing bite. The bobcat's keen eyesight can see from far away distance. Also, the bobcat's keen hearing is used to track down other small animals for a nice meal. A bobcat can't just eat all year long. It would be starving. A bobcat is a predator to many animals such as muskrats, squirrels, mice, beavers, possums, insects, and birds. About 20 to 30% of their attacks are successful. That's pretty hard to do. Wolves are a predator to adult bobcats. So are farmers in Mexico because bobcats are a predator to sheep and other animals like that. Bobcats usually eat rabbits, birds, rodents, and occasionally young deer. Bobcats catch their prey by sneaking up on their prey and then pouncing when they don't know. Also, bobcats are carnivores and consumers. A carnivore is a type of animal that only eats meat, and a consumer is an animal or a human that only eats the food and doesn't make it. A bobcat uses its camouflage to sneak up on its prey and hide away from predators, such as wolves. When it's wintertime, the bobcat's fur blends in with the snow away from wolves that are their predators. It also blends in with stone, rock, dirt, trees, and grass. You would think bobcats are not nocturnal, but they actually are. Bobcats are nocturnal. The bobcat uses its keen eyesight to track down other animals and from a long distance at the nighttime. It also sneaks up on prey at night, and it also eats it while it's asleep. A bobcat's very important to the ecosystem. It eats insects, so it controls the population of those nasty bugs. Also, bobcats use the ecosystem to mark its own territory using its scent and visual signs. Rocky ledges are a perfect place for habitat for bobcats. Also, tall logs help bobcats look around for prey. Fallen trees and logs help bobcats with their shelter. Also, bobcats need animals to live and eat. Bobcats also need bushes to sneak up on their prey and camouflage. Bobcats need trees to rest on when they get tired. Now you see how bobcats use their ecosystem and how the ecosystem is so important to them. Thank you for listening to me about my presentation of the important North America bobcat. I hope you learned a lot, and tell your friends about the facts. They're very important. And also, have a nice day, everyone.